And how did your early experiences of studying Yiddish influence your sense of Jewish identity as an adult?
I think it's a part of who I am. And even now, there are times when one is with close friends and family, and you need to describe a situation, and sometimes the only real descriptive phrase can be a Yiddish idiom that comes to mind. Nothing is as close and as warm to the meaning you intend. And it doesn't do well in translation because the essence of that is not translatable. My in-laws were very much into Yiddish, and everything they did was Yiddish, and they only spoke Yiddish to my children. It's just a part of me, and it can't be a part of somebody who doesn't feel the soul of the language.